This is how we can turn off Find My on the iPhone. So what you have to do is to open up your settings app, and on the main page and at the top you can see your profile. So you can click in here and proceed inside. You can manage your things about the profile, and one of them is definitely going to be the Find My menu. So you can get there, and at the top you can see the Find My iPhone. You can click on it, and if this is turned on, you can disable it. So for me, I can see three toggles. One is sending last location, so you can disable that. Then there is the Find My network, meaning you can browse and see other devices which belong to you on the map, and you can disable it like this, or you can turn off the whole feature, which you'll have to confirm with your Apple ID password. It is kind of a serious step, and there's definitely something to it. Like, it's a nice feature, but you might want to disable it, and that's why you need to type in the password to confirm it, and then the Find My feature will be turned off on the iPhone. So that's essentially it from me. I hope that I was able to explain it, and definitely subscribe to Foxtecc for more, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.